Good morning, friends. How are you all? Hope so. Fine. So today we are going to discuss about the deliverables, different test deliverables. So below mentioned are the test deliverables: test plan, test cases, test scenarios, test execution reports, defect reports, and requirement traceability matrix (RTM). Now, what is test plan? A test plan is a crucial document in the software testing lifecycle that outlines the strategy, objectives, resources, schedule, and scope of testing activities. It serves as a guide for the testing team to ensure that all aspects of the software are thoroughly tested. Here's a detailed look at what a test plan typically includes. Test plan identifier. It is a unique number of test plan. References, introduction, scope, test items, features to be tested, features not to be tested, approach, testing approach, pass fail criteria, suspension criteria, test deliverables, testing tasks, environmental needs, staffing and training needs, response roles and responsibilities, test schedule, risk and contingencies, and approvals. These are the things in test plan. Now, test cases. Test cases are detailed step-by-step instructions that guide testers through the process of testing a specific function or feature of a software application. They help ensure that the software behaves as expected under various conditions and meet the requirements. Here's a breakdown of what a test case typically includes and a few examples. Now, what is test case is like we will write the test case depending upon the functionality of the application. So if you take Google login, Google email login, so what it covers is test case ID first, unique ID that will be, then test scenario, test case description, preconditions, test steps, test data, expected results, actual results, then status, pass or fail. So these are the things that will cover in the test cases. So before execution of the test cases, we design the test cases first depending upon the different functionalities of the application and then execute the test cases one by one. Test execution report. Test execution report is a document that captures the results of executing the test cases. It is a critical part of the testing phase, providing insights into the quality, progress, and status of the testing efforts. Here's a detailed outline of what a test execution report typically includes. So, for example, you can take this pie chart. Blocked test cases. Yellow is blocked test cases. Green is passed test cases. Red is failed test cases. And remaining tests. Blue. So, we will output these test results like this in the test execution report. Now, coming to requirement traceability matrix. RTM stands for Requirement Traceability Matrix. It is a document that helps ensures that all requirements defined for a system are tested in the test protocols. Here's a detailed look at what the RTM typically includes and its importance in the software development and testing lifecycle. So, in requirement traceability matrix, it will correlate with the business requirements, test scenario, test case, and defects. For example, business requirement is BR1, then test scenario is TS1, test case is TC1 and TC2, and then defects. If at all there are any defects in that, you can DT01, you can write that. So these are the deliverables. Thank you very much, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications. Thank you very much.